Hello, thank you for tuning in. This is a brief tutorial to show you what BriefClips can do for you for your work, your studies, your hobbies, whatever it is that you do on your computer. I'm sure that you will find BriefClips can be helpful. What does it do? Well, its primary role is to extend your clipboard. It extends it from just having one clip available to having as many clips as you want available to you for instant selection and pasting. Let's get some clips in here so you can see how that works. Here's some text. I select it and copy it, and it gets added as a clip right there. Here I have a paragraph of text that is in many languages, so that you can see Unicode support. There it got added, and everything is readable. Whatever your language is, you can find it in here and read it. Now you can also copy something like a snippet of code. This is from my website, so I'm going to copy that, and you can see that the formatting is preserved because it's copied as rich text. You can also view it as text, where the formatting is going to be gone. Okay, so you see that we added 3 clips, and it has 3 different types of icons to the left of the clip. This one is text, this one is HTML, and this one is rich text. Let's just quickly rename those. You hit F2 to unlock it for editing, and I'm going to name the clipbook demo. This is going to be text. This is going to be HTML, and this is going to be code snippet. Alright, now I want a picture in here because BriefClips also supports pictures. Let me go to this website and right click on this picture and just go copy. There it is, this HTML, because it was a part of the HTML page. But if you switch here, this is just an image, and you'll see what you can do with this image shortly. So now we have these four different types of clips, and you can name them so that you can find them easily. Let's say this is Visual Studio ad. This is part of my websites. This is Unicode demo, and this is just text. Okay, now you can save it by just clicking this button, and I'm going to save it over something that already exists, just demo. Okay. Because there's a directory, tried to go to that directory instead of trying to overwrite the file. Okay, there we go. I just saved it. Now I can close it and come back in by either going open, demo, and there they are. Now let's close it again, and you can go to it by going to recent Clipbooks. If it's in that list, if you just used it recently, it's still in that list, you can just select it and it opens it for you. Now there's a clipbook here that I saved a few days ago when I was filling out all the software archive submission sites, submission forms for BriefClips. They ask you repetitive things, and so I found myself using BriefClips to collect everything that I needed to fill out in those forms, like product name, version, release date, short description, long description. You certainly don't want to type that several times, and you don't want to seek all those things out somewhere on your hard drive. If you have it in a clipbook, you have it always available. How about those things that you can't really directly copy, like check boxes or drop-down list boxes? This is what I chose to do. I selected what I needed to select, and then I took a screenshot of it and added that as a picture. I can see the selections that I made. Okay, so there's everything that I needed for my software submission. So whenever I need it, I can just open that clipbook and all that info is available to me. Okay, so how do I take a screenshot? Because BriefClips supports screen capture. Let's see, there's the screenshot button, and you click it and the screen turns light blue, smoky blue, and you click down with the left mouse button and you drag to select a rectangular region, and you can change your mind. You can select anywhere you want, and when you let go, whatever rectangle you selected gets copied as a screenshot. Let's take a couple more. Some icons that I have on the desktop, my system tray right there. Okay, so some screenshots right there. What can I do with those pictures? Well, I can save them as a clipbook and use them later as clips, or I can save them individually as an image file by right-clicking and selecting Save Image, and that will save it in one of the 5 popular graphic formats: bitmap, jpeg, gif, ping file, or tiff file. So you have quite a few choices here. Now, how do I use clips? How do I actually make them useful? Let me open a previous notebook. Okay, because I made some changes to this one, it's asking me if I want to save it, and I just choose no because I don't need those clips anymore. Okay, so let's say I open this product information clipbook and the long description is right here, and I need to paste it here. So you just select the clip in the list and BriefClips copies it for you, so it's available for pasting. You don't need to copy it. Select, paste. Select a picture, and there's your image right there. Switch between the notebooks. Let's say I want to go to a different one. Demo. Select this one. Paste. Select this add. Paste. So select a clip and paste. Select, paste, select, paste. Very, very simple. And searching between the notebooks, as you saw, is very simple, just by going to recent clipbooks and selecting the clipbook that you need. There's also another shortcut menu that is very useful for longer lists, for bigger clipbooks, is Quick Clip Select menu, which is basically a menu that shows all your clips, so there's no need to scroll, search through it. You just drop it down, you select the one that you need, click on it, and it instantly goes there. And of course it copies that as well. So let's try that. Go to product information, long description, switch back to Word, paste, and there it is. Trial limitations, paste, another picture, switch back to Word, paste, there we go. So I hope that what you've seen so far, you're saying to yourself, wow, that will save me hours trying to hunt all this information down, retyping it, or trying to find where it is and copy manually. This way it gets all organized for you into neat clipbooks that you can take with you and use on different computers, and it's all organized, and you can name clips the way you want. Save clipbooks. You can take screenshots, and you have data available in all these formats, and you can save pictures in 5 different formats. So that's a recap. I also want to show you everything that you can tune in BriefClips because its options are really, really powerful. Let me just give you a little preview glance, and that's going to be the subject of the next tutorial, is everything that options can do. It's found under Tools, Options, and I'm going to talk about it in the next tutorial. Until then, thank you for listening, and you've been briefed.